Okay, guys. Quickly, I want to. This happens to be the signal I dropped in the morning. Okay, so some of you have asked me to explain how it happened like this because you were actually buying the market, probably from what you saw that the market was trending up. So I want to explain how I had to predict this market this way that it's gonna drop. First, let me show you from the group that I dropped the signal here. It's very simple. Okay, this is it from the group. Euro USD, this is it. Okay, here to say Euro USD at exact I even highlighted the place we were supposed to buy sell. So now quickly let me go back and explain how it happened. Now you can see that step number one, market was trending very high. These are the things I look out for before taking any trade. Now market was trending very high, quite alright. And then it was making perfect higher highs and higher lows perfectly. Okay. Now every day I trade divergence. Any day I don't see divergence on any pair, I won't trade. But probably today I woke up and I saw a very nice divergence on the 1 hour time frame where we had higher highs and lower highs on the oscillator. Now stepping down to a smaller time frame, it was still the same thing. Okay, went down to 15 minutes time frame, it was still the same thing, although we even met it very late. We took that entry very late because normally see where my entry was supposed to be exactly at the close of this candle because this uh this happened to be the higher high. Okay, then each time the market does this, I always enter the market the moment price comes out to break this previous level, which happens to be this very candle. Okay, which is here was supposed to be my entry point, and you see the kind of sniper entry we had there. Okay, so that was what I saw, and if all this was happening at around 9 o'clock, have you seen? If you check the group, you see that it was around 9:30. I dropped the signal. It was around 9:30 I dropped the signal. Here is it. Uh Here. If you see the time here is 9:30. Okay, I dropped the signal here. So all these things will happen around that 9 o'clock. Okay. Now guys, it's very powerful. Whenever you see a divergence 1 or 2 hours before London session. London session starts by 9 o'clock here in Nigeria. So whenever you see divergence 1 or 2 hours before that time, please wait for it to confirm. I can see the market is still pushing very down. And I think we had news today. Okay, we had news today. All these fundamental news and all that, mostly they follow the direction of the price of technical analysis. Okay, now the technical analysis there showed that price was supposed to drop, and see what happened. The news as well helped to push the price really down. Can you see? It's still falling. It's still falling. So this is what I saw. Number one, I saw the market was trending very up, which is very okay. Normally I was supposed to buy, but then divergence is so powerful that it can break all protocols. That's why I choose to trade divergence. Divergence is so powerful that it can break any protocol at all. And this is what happened here. Even with the news release, you can say the market even respected the divergence signal and dropped very well. Okay, so this was the reason why I took this way. Don't worry, you might not understand this whole divergence of a thing now. That's why I said I am taking you guys from the scratch. I've made a video um today, which I'll be uploading very soon for you guys, but then I have to drop this one first. Don't worry, I will teach you guys everything. I will teach you guys everything. When we get to the strategy area, you will begin understanding all these ones I am saying. Okay, in case for those who are completely new, but then understand that this is what I did that made me uh this accurate in this very setup. Okay, so thank you very much, and I hope you understand this.